So the master's got those 2 doors onto the deck, which faces the road. I'll show you here in a second. I love the ceilings. Have I said I love the ceilings? It's the only heat and air unit, vent I see so far. These are your big doors to the outside, which is on the street. There were deer playing in that field when I pulled up this morning. You'd have a ton of natural light if these windows were open. But they had them closed, so we shall leave them closed. It's big, definite king. 2 kings. And that is the ensuite.